Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today we will discuss about a job opportunity from EY. Before moving further with all the details, I would like to request you to subscribe to Jobkar if you have not subscribed yet, because here you will get videos on daily basis for different job recruitment and placement preparation. Those will definitely gonna help you get to your job. So do subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. And with that note, let's quickly move further with today's video details. So EY is hiring for trainee in the tech consulting, and this will be FS Technology Transformation, and your location will be Gurgaon. So basically जो role होगा वो analyst का होगा in IT advisory, and EY is looking for analyst in IT advisory. An important part of your role will be to be as assistant seniors and manager, and while actively participating within the client engagement. Okay, key responsibilities की यहाँ पर बात करें, so application development based on technical specifications, process documentation and support design, build and test SAP application. Okay, skills and attributes for success will be analytical in nature and should be able to grasp new concepts very quickly. And to qualify for the role, you must have a full-time graduate or postgraduate from recognized universities in disciplines of computer science, information technology, and electronics and communication engineering. Good programming knowledge in any one language at least, preferably object oriented programming, and no prior experience required. So basically अगर आप फ्रेशर हैं तब आप इसमें अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. बैच क्राइटेरिया कोई भी नहीं है. अगर आपने अपना ग्रेजुएशन या पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन कंप्यूटर साइंस, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी या फिर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन की फील्ड में किया है, चाहे वो कोई भी डिग्री हो, अगर आपका जो ग्रेजुएशन का फील्ड या फिर ब्रांच रिलेटेड है कंप्यूटर साइंस, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एंड ईसीई से, देन आप इसमें अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. आपको कोई भी एक ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज का नॉलेज होना चाहिए. अगर ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड नहीं है, लाइक अगर आपको सी आती है तब भी चलेगा, बट प्रेफर अगर आपको ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज आती है जैसे कि जावा, सी प्लस प्लस, पाइथन, तो आपका एप्लीकेशन प्रेफर किया जाएगा. ओके, नाउ आइडियली यू शुड हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग कम्युनिकेशन, facilitation, relationship building, presentation and negotiation skills, and flexible to travel and willing to relocate if necessary. Okay, so these are the criteria. Now what we look for, so pupil with the ability to work in a collaborative way to provide services across multiple clients departments while adhering to commercial and legal requirements. You will need a practical approach to solving issues and complex problems with the ability to deliver insightful and practical solutions. So this is about the person they are looking for. Now EY is committed to being an inclusive employer, and they are happy to consider flexible working arrangements. They strive to achieve the right balance for their pupil, enabling them to deliver excellent client service with whilst allowing you to build your career without sacrificing your personal priorities. And while their client facing professional can be required to travel regularly and at the time be based at client sites, their flexible working arrangements can help you to achieve a lifestyle balance. This is about eBay, so you can go through with this. I will provide the link in the description box. So as there is no batch criteria, any batch can apply, so this is a really great opportunity. And EY is a good company, very good company, so you can consider to apply. I will provide the link in the description box, so go to the link and click on this apply button here. Complete your application, and for further procedure they will coordinate you through a registered email ID. And yeah, till then you can prepare yourself for this upcoming exam or interview, whatever takes place. Most probably there will be a written exam, so आप उसके लिए prepare कर सकते हैं. And yeah, this is all about today's job opportunity. I hope you like the video, and if you do so, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Jobkar. I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.